Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are getting this WhatsApp error, the phone number you entered is too short for the country. Include your area code. If you haven't, don't worry. I will show you how to fix it step by step. See, this is the problem. Okay, let's get started. First, tap on the WhatsApp and now click on the I button and scroll down. Now click on the force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now click on the storage, clear cache and clear data. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Call logs allow, camera allow, and the contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification, phone, photos and videos, SMS. Okay, allow all permission. Okay, go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back, go to your Play Store and now search your WhatsApp and check update your WhatsApp. My WhatsApp already updated. Okay, go back and open your WhatsApp, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.